third type of ihram that a person can take is the ihram of tamattu'. Tamattu' is the intention of Hajj, but it differs from the ifrad ihram, how that it's taken from inside of the miqat boundaries, inside of the Masjid al-Haram, or at least it can be. And it is effected by a person having performed Umrah within the days of Hajj. The days of Hajj are any day from the month of Shawwal, the month of Dhul Qa'dah, or the first days of Dhul Hijjah. And so what happens is that then a person can take the ihram of Hajj from inside the sacred boundary of Makkah Mukarramah, and that is called tamattu'. Tamattu' is to be executed and fulfilled by a person proceeding to Mina, Arafat, Muzdalifah, and then back to Makkah Mukarramah, doing the Tawaf al-Ifada, and then taking the extra step of doing sa'i after the Tawaf al-Ifada, because they will not have had done it before or had an opportunity to have performed it from before. So they'll do the sa'i, and then after that sa'i, they will have completed all of the arkan of Hajj, all of the farther parts of Hajj.